if you are not a dreamer, I would love to have you as one. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn the red button gray, leave a comment, and I will be sure to get back to it. But today we are going to be doing a Boxycharm unboxing. And I haven't done these in a while, but I've been getting Boxycharm every month because I love it. But I haven't really felt like playing in makeup, so I haven't been doing the unboxings on my channel. But today I feel like playing in some makeup. So this is the Boxycharm box for me. If you don't know what Boxycharm is, it's a monthly subscription box. It looks like this. This is the base box. So the base box costs $25, and then they have a bigger box that costs $35 a month, and they have another box called Boxy Luxe that comes out every 4 months. But the base box comes with 4 to 5 full-size makeup products that average the price over $125. And that's why I like Boxycharm so much, because it saves me a ton of money on good quality makeup that I don't have to spend. I save a lot of money, and who doesn't want to save some money? I mostly wear a natural face most of the time anyway, so if I can just get some concealer here and there, some eyeshadow, and some highlighter, bronzer, I'm good. So I'm going to open the box. It's not that heavy, but this might not fit in most mailboxes, so the mail person usually knocks on the door. The boxes have gotten bigger since I've been getting Boxycharm. And I've been getting Boxycharm for over a year. So Boxycharm comes with this little card which tells you this month's theme. It's Mother Nature. And I think that's cute because we just had Mother's Day recently, and then it's springtime, which right now it don't feel like spring, it feels more like summer. Where I live, it's been like really hot lately. It's been like 80 degrees. So, yeah. But this is a cute card, and on the back of the card, it tells you the variation of the box. There's a little heart in the corner, which I hope you can see. You might can't if the camera will focus a little bit. There's the variation, and this is variation number 63. It tells you all the products you got in your box, and it tells you where you can follow Boxycharm, and it gives you the prices. I will have all of these products linked in the description so you can find them and purchase them for yourself if you choose to. I will also have a sign up link in the description box for anyone that wants to sign up to Boxycharm. So let's see what the first item on this card. Ooh, we have a face mask. It's from GlamGlow. Now, I've gotten a lot of GlamGlow products in my Boxycharms, and I love them. I got their sleeping mask, their watermelon sleeping mask a few months ago. But this one is the GlamGlow BerryGlow probiotic face mask. So this is what it looks like. And it says on the card, a creamy, nurturing, dense, smooth mask with antioxidants, rich berries, and probiotics that instantly boost your skin health, restores radiance, and balance your skin's biome. So this claims to do a lot. And you would apply this to your skin and leave it on for 10 minutes. And if you want me to do a video on how to apply it to your skin and tell you if I notice the difference, I will do it, but I'm going to open it. It has a cute little star on top of the lid. I'm going to open it, and I already pulled the little tag that sits here on top. And let's see what it smells like. It smells good, and it actually looks like berries. It looks like there might have been blueberries in this. I'm not sure what type of berries are in it, but from the way it looks, it has like the color that you would see in like a blueberry or strawberry smoothie type thing. And let's see if I can feel the texture. It's very smooth. It won't be heavy on your face because it like dissolves on your finger already. But you would have to put an even layer on your skin to get the full benefits of this. So, wow, that smells good. It smells just like fruity. I like that. I really do like that. So this is the GlamGlow Berry Mask. And this is $49. So I paid $25 for this whole box, and the first product I pulled out the box is $49. Now that's amazing. A $49 product in the box itself only costs $25. So the next one we have on the list is a lip gloss from Jouer. I'm not sure how you say it, so if anyone knows in the comments, you can correct me. Jouer Cosmetics. It's a lip gloss. I think this is it. So the name is spelled Jouer. So if I said it wrong, I apologize. But Jouer. This looks very dark. I don't usually wear colors this dark, but let's see what the card says and go from there. It says Jouer Cosmetics High Pigment Lip Gloss. This is a non-sticky full coverage lip gloss moisturizer made from jojoba seed oil and provides a creamy full coverage pearl finish, and it supposedly glides on smoothly. So let's see if it actually glides on smoothly. I'm gonna test this one out on my lips and see what it looks like. It seems to shear out a lot. So I'm going to put it on the top lip. Guys, my mom's about to walk past the camera, but it's okay. I'm going to keep filming. And let's see what it looks like. It looks like it has pigment, but the pigment doesn't look too bad. I'm going to look at it in the mirror. It looks like it just made my lips look rosy. So even though it's a dark color, it's not as bad as I thought it would be. So I could definitely continue to use this because it's not that bad. And it smells good. It has like a vanilla scent, but it's not like over scented to where you'd be like, I don't want to smell like cupcakes all day. So let's see what it looks like in the camera. I'm using the camera of my phone to see what it looks like. Yeah, it just came out a rosy pink color. So don't let the pigmentation of the lip gloss fool you, because it's not as dark as it is in the tube. Like, to me, this looks like a very dark purple, but as you can tell, if I get a little closer to the camera, my lips are just a brighter pink color than what it is. So that's good. And this lip gloss costs $17. Next, we have something from Trestique. And this is a concealer crayon. So this says, finally, you can have a extra smooth, easy glide application with full coverage and lightweight feel. Ultra creamy, long-lasting formula, coverage, and correction to a new level. So this is a concealer, which concealer is always good to have when you don't want to put on a full face of foundation. You can just conceal the spots that you want to hide away. And I forgot to tell you which shade this is in. So this is in the shade Toffee. If we're going to talk toffee as in dessert, my mom's going to walk past the camera again. There she goes. I don't personally like toffee as a dessert, but this looks like a great color match. So it looks like a pencil, but they're calling it a crayon, but it reminds me of a pencil. And it's a magnetic top. You just turn it and there's your crayon. I'm going to put this on the back of my hand so I can show you what color it looks like. And I have to switch hand. I put it in. You can hear it click. It's a magnetic. So I put it there. Right. Okay, my arm has to be up a little bit more for you to see that. I put it right there. And I'm just going to blend this out with my finger so you can see how well it blended. So I had put it right there and now it's fully blended and you barely can see it. So when you take your Boxycharm quiz, it'll ask you a bunch of different things so they can color match you to the best of their ability from an online quiz. So they did a good job with this. I will definitely be using this in the future. And the concealer was $24. So next we have a lip pencil, which honestly, I never really use lip pencils. I've tried to get into using more lip pencils, but I never really use them because when I just apply lip gloss, a long-lasting lipstick, or a liquid lip, I just put it on without a lip pencil. So for this lip pencil, it says the lip liner of your dreams. So for this to be the lip liner of my dreams, it has to not be a rough pencil, because I find most lip liner pencils to be too rough and I don't want to put them on my lips. So for this to make the claim to be the lip liner of your dreams, this cannot be wrong. And then it says, creamy and pigmented, yet long-lasting, helps complement any lip color. So they're claiming that you can use this color for any lip shade. So let's see what actual shade did they give me. It's written, it's called Ecstasy. So let's see. Ooh, and it's gold. Ooh, I can already tell they're right, it's going to be creamy because this doesn't have a sharp point to it. So let's see what the color looks like. And again, this is in the shade Ecstasy. I just put a little bit on my hand, which I put it at the top right here. It's like a purplish mauve color, and it is creamy, so I will be using this too because I can handle creamy. I can't handle dry and sharp. And this is from and this is in the color Fantasy, and it's from Gerard Cosmetics, and the lip liner was $15. And we have one more product left. Ooh, packaging on this makes me want to take a vacation or go somewhere tropical. This is from Tarte Cosmetics, and this is their magical, it doesn't say magical, it says micellar magic. So this is a micellar water. So it's a makeup remover and a face cleanser all wrapped up into one. So that's always good because sometimes makeup can be hard to get off. So like you have to take a makeup wipe, then you have to use more than one sometimes if you don't get all the makeup off with just one makeup wipe. And then you have to cleanse your face. And the cleanser that I usually use is from GlamGlow. It's their bubble cleanser, but I'm going to give this one a shot. And I just found a new makeup remover product. It's like the magic eraser where you just wet it and it wipes off your makeup. And then I would cleanse my face with GlamGlow, but I'm going to try this one out. Because if I can do makeup removal and then wash my face at the same time and cut down on some steps and save myself some time. And this is a giant bottle. Let's see what it looks like. So you would just use a cotton pad or something with this. So this is what the bottle looks like. It does look like water, and I love that it's clear. And let's see what the top part looks like. So you just kind of press this down. It's a pop top. You would press this down once you take the little tab off. I'm not going to take the tab off. And you would press this down with your cotton pad, and it'll come up. And you'll fill the water. So, yeah. This is Micellar Magic from Tarte, and let me read what this says. The ultimate lazy girl hack. This micellar water is gentle, no rinse facial cleanser that removes waterproof long wearing makeup excess oils, impurities without stripping your skin of the natural moisture. So you don't have to worry about this taking away the moisture in your skin, and then you have to moisturize and all that, which is still always good to moisturize, but you don't want to use a cleanser that takes away the natural oils of your skin. So this is a great product to try, which I'm gonna try this one. But I also love the GlamGlow Bubble Cleanser. And this whole bottle is only $18. So you get a big bottle for $18. And what I'm going to do now is add up all the totals for the Boxycharm and tell you how much money this whole box of products cost. So let me clear my calculator. We have $49 for the face mask plus $17 for the lip gloss plus $24 for the concealer plus $16 for the lip pencil, and we have $18 for the micellar water. So my grand total for my Boxycharm box was $124. So I'm gonna minus the $124 for the total box, minus $25 that I spent for the box, and I saved myself $99. Which always makes me happy when I can save some money. And I thank you all for tuning into this Boxycharm video. I will be doing more videos. I will be more consistent with these videos because I miss doing them. And I guess with being stuck in the house, since you don't wear a lot of makeup, you can just play in your makeup. Test out your makeup skills, which is always fun. And I will be using some of these products in a whole makeup look very, very soon. I love you guys. Keep dreaming. Keep working hard on whatever you choose to do. And whatever you dream, you can accomplish. Just take it one step at a time. And I will see you guys very soon with another video. Love you all. Have a nice day.